Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add or enable Word add-ins in Microsoft Word. So first head over and launch Microsoft Word. Then next is click on File, found at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Options. This will then open up this small window. Then from here, click on Add-ins and look for the Manage section. Click on the drop down menu, and here you can see Word add-ins. Click on it, then press Go. Here you can see templates and add-ins that you can use and add. Just navigate through the window and add everything you need, then press OK. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!